Okay, let's go ahead and add a face to this guy, including eyes that are somewhat symmetrical to one another. So let's start with just adding a mouth. Now I'm going to change the internal color of the mouth. I'll select like maybe a yellow color. I'm going to go to my path effects and I'm going to add corners and I'm going to round the corners. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a small rectangle representing a nose, and I'm going to do the same thing. And now I'm going to do an eyeball as well. So each of these items I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select, and I'm going to go to my alignment tab, and I'm going to select the option that allows me to center these on the vertical axis so that we get this. Let's move that nose down a little bit. Now for the eye, I'm not doing a cyclops. I'm going to do something mimicking a human with two eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the mirror option to mirror the symmetry. So I'm going to go back to my tools, my path effects, and I'm going to look for mirror symmetry. And now we have two eyes. There's too close together and off center. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to cheat things over. I'm going to make sure that for the mode I have the freely defined mirror line. I'm going to go to my node tools and I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to grab this particular node. Actually, I'm going to zoom in a little bit first. Then I will go to the node tool. I will grab that line, and if I move that line over, we start getting our spacing. And I can just go ahead and slide things over so that we get something to that effect. So the next thing I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to add some eyeballs, and those I'm going to do independently of one another. So I'll go ahead and I will just create another circle in the middle. I will go ahead and give it a red interior. And I will go ahead and I will just duplicate this. And I'll just use the arrow key to move it over so that it is in the other spots. Let's zoom out a little bit. And we can play with it as we see fit to get the proportions more like how we would like.